Hey, good morning, Don here from Super Blast. And let's go over a couple things here that we had fixed the other day. I did a video yesterday, but the SD card failed on me, and I guess it got a crack in it, so I lost all my data yesterday. And it was a very good day, showing so many good things. But you know what? Shit happens, right? All right, we got these new hoses on here because they were under pressure and always blowing off there. Okay. We also had these new water filters put in. These things are so very, very good. And the plumbing's all done. We got some really nice ball valves over there that are going to last. Okay, always get your gas filters changed once a year. Of course, all the plugs were changed. All the oils here were changed after 20 hours break-in time. So we're running the new pump and gears today. For 20 hours, then we'll go in and get it changed out. Keep everything nice and fresh and new. It's going to be 93 today with 105 heat index. Always hydrate yourself. Got 6 20-ounce bottles of water there and a couple of Powerades, sugarless no less. All right, today we're going to have concrete madness. We're going to be running this baby at 10.5 gallons a minute. All day long. We had a corner lot, 2-car driveway, sidewalks, and the gutter in the road to start the day off with. Then we have another corner lot, 2-car driveway, and sidewalks to take care of as well. So it's going to be nothing but concrete today. So it's going to be a concrete kind of day. All right. Super Blast pressure washing is going to be getting after it, baby. See you at the job. Okay, folks, the first job is a no-go. My customer's a regular customer. He had to go out of town because his daughter is probably going to pass away this week. She has cancer really bad, and there's just a sad story. But anyway, he went out of town, and he shut the water off just out of habit. Yeah, I mean, I shut my water off when I go out of town, too. You never know what's going to happen. Probably not going to happen, but you never know, right? Anyway, he left a check on the door. I gave him a call, and he's doing okay. He said, just, oh, sorry about that. Go ahead and cash the check. And you can just do it when I get back. I'll let you know when I get home. So that's pretty good. Still going to get paid, but, man, I feel bad for the guy. Anyway, we're going to go back to the house. I'm going to call the second customer, and I'm sure, hopefully, we can get that one done early. And we'll have an early day today with a full day's pay anyway. All right? So let's get after it, and we'll see you at the next job, hopefully. Have a great day. All right, here we are at the job. It's a big one, huh? This is a corner lot. It goes all the way past those trees over there, up in front of the garage, all the way to the front door, right to where the ball valve is right there. Okay, we're not removing the rust. He didn't say anything about that. That'd be a total different charge for that. But we'll get the sidewalks looking pretty clean. And we're going to do the gutter in the road as well. And he says he has the rust treatment in his water now, so maybe it'll treat it and it'll go away. All right, so first we're going to SH, starting over there, all the way up in this area. Come back around, go to the sidewalk, come back around, go all the way down. Mini Mondo all the way up. Mini Mondo all that. Mini Mondo all this. Rinse everything off. We'll work our way up the driveway. You always want the water to run down the driveway when it's hot. So start the job at the bottom. And as you work your way up, the water is always dripping down towards the road. Keep it from drying on the cement. All right? All right, we're going to go ahead and treat this. And, I mean, it's a lot of area to watch me do this. Warp speed and all that stuff. Let me go ahead and get the SH down, and we'll look at some stuff. Maybe we'll do a little bit of live time on how fast the Mini Mondo goes on 10.5 gallons a minute, and then we'll see the before and after. We're going to treat it first. Mini Mondo at second, and we got some some weeds in the cracks up here, I see. Right here. Over here. There's some at the bottom of the driveway, and I'm sure there's some over there and over there. So we're going to be doing some turbo nozzle too. So there'll be like 5, 6 different elements to this one, because I also see some black algae. It's going to have to be spot treated with the pump up sprayer. All right, so the first things first, SH. We'll be back. All right, let's do a little SH. We're only running the machine on 50% for the SH treatment, and look at that sticky icky soap suds. Oh my goodness, it's a lot. I guess I shouldn't have added that other quart. I think I already added some before that, prior. What's a little soap suds gonna do for you? It's gonna clean it, man. Go ahead and hit the gutter too. Dirty, 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 dirty. Right up to here. There you go. See that black algae right there? That's what we're talking about. Pump up sprayer probably, so. As you can see, it gets done pretty fast, right? All right, we'll be back for a look at the SH. Let's get after it. All right, we're all around the corner. You see how down there? See where that dirt ends? That's where I'm gonna end. We're SH all the way. Right to here. This is where we're gonna start the mini Mondo. Work our way back all the way up the driveway, down that sidewalk over there. Then we'll be, all we'll have left is this. And the gutter in the road, of course. All right, let's get after it. All right, we're at 10.5 gallons a minute. Let's get after it. Woo! Big difference, huh? Black algae. tilt it up sideways before you shut it off, or it might clog up with some sand that's in there spinning around. All right, we'll be back. All right, let's have a look. We still got to go down to there. From there, are we gonna make it? I think so. We're all the way to the front door right now. We're done up to here. Everything's rinsed. It's got some turbo nozzling to do over there when we're done with all that, but it's all rinsed, so I'll just go ahead and turbo nozzle this way, and so it doesn't make a big mess. We're all the way up to there. Look how nice and bright and white that driveway is over there. Came out nice. All right, we got some black stuff to treat on the sidewalk here. See it? Just in this one little stretch right here. Right up to there. 1, 2, 3 blocks down. That's about it. And we got a little bit up there, black algae, and a couple other little spots, and we'll be good to go. So here it is right here. Pump up sprayer and turbo nozzle. Take care of all this stuff. Then we'll be wrapped up. We'll get back to the final review. All right, let's get after it. All right, before we go to the door, let's have a look. Check the sidewalk out. Remember all that black stuff that was on it? Well, I don't see any black stuff, do you? Came out really nice. Then with the rust stuff that he's got in his sprinkler, this stuff will gradually dissipate. Walk down here for a second. Now, there was some weeds on here blocking this water from going anywhere. Right there. Now, I'm not going to clean all them weeds up, but I got the weeds cleaned up. You know what I mean? The gutter in the road's nice. It's clean all the way down. There's no black stuff anywhere. Driveway came out looking good. Turbo nozzle all the weeds out of the cracks. It's looking great. Like I said, this is a regular customer. This is his new house. Used to live out on Hernando Beach. We'll take a look at the driveway real quick before we go to the door with the bill, which I had to upcharge when I got here. All this stuff was black here. Everything's cleaned up. Everything looks good. I'm Don from Super Blast. That's going to be a wrap, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. And what are we doing tomorrow? Might as well say what we're going to do, right? We're starting at 8 a.m. We're doing a pool cage and some Newport Richie. Then we're going to be doing a screen room at Cross T Court in Brooksville at Brevard Golf Club. And Friday we got a pool cage and a driveway, and then another pool cage and another driveway. Then we're off for the weekend, all right? I'm Don from Super Blast. Remember, get after it, and we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, who won at the gym?
It don't matter if you win by an inch or a mile.
He got me by like 2 seconds today.
2 seconds.
The old man
Gotta get the time in.
beat the young guy.
The old man, how old are you?
Whoa, Don, you don't
Never
ask a woman that.
his age.
Don't ask a woman his age. Oh, it's Bernadette.
Can't we put a 4.3 on 5 and just run it like 5? Yeah, that's okay. And then the other one is a 5 at 2,500. That's the one that you need to take to your casa. That's like my cat. Yes.
Yeah. Actually, I want like an 8-gallon minute on that, so
Well, you might want to get some more power, dog.
get a substation put in.
Yeah.
So now, Don, it wasn't your valves bad, it was just a piece broke in between.
What's that?
The pieces broke in between.
It did.
Connector, it wasn't your valves were bad.
Well, good.
So technically we should use these valves probably. Or you could.
No.
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 Just keeping them for backup.
Time
They're
is
not
money.
bad.
No. Throw them away, Don. Throw them away. You want to pay this guy $100-something an hour to change a broken valve that you should have done brand new from the start?
New valves are on top of the tank. That way down the road, you're gonna save them. Doesn't make sense.
It's called stepping on $1 to pick up a dime, Don.
The dollar's up there on top of the tank now. You gotta change his though.
Stepping on $1 to pick up a dime.
No.
Put new shit on that bitch. Oh, I can't say that. I'll be in trouble on YouTube.
Gotta put some new stuff on there. He didn't mean to say that. We're not editing anything out here. He apologized. Go ahead.
Sorry.
I'm not sorry.
Everybody. I'm not sorry. It's like Pee Wee Herman. Hamburger.
Jerry, how are you today?
Sorry, not sorry.
That's good. Anyway, that's the progress so far. Here's our system. It's gonna be awesome. Well, guys, thank you for everything. And what do?
You get after it.
We get after it. Do you get after it?
Always.
What do you do?
Get after it. At home, I
Everybody
get
gets after it. Hey, when he gets home, he gets after it. Hey, look at this dude up here. I bet you he even gets after it.
after it. Mr. American.
Get after it!